Today was a volatile day, and this is due to panic situation in the market due to Adani Group's FPI investment, which was frozen by SEBI, and additional pressure of FOMO of market crash. Please try to understand market may crash in future. Sorry to use the term crash. It will not be a crash but a correction due to bubble in the market as indicated by RBI governor. This is the nature of the market. Once you are making a profit in your positional holding, you will also would like to book profit. But as per technical analysis, there is no sign of correction in near term, or at least in this week. So don't be afraid, and you can continue to hold your position with stop loss. So make sure you put stop loss every day in the beginning of the trading session. But this is for those who are really afraid of market crash. As said earlier, I don't see such situation, and I still believe Bank Nifty will make its new high before giving any correction. If you see the chart, there was a sharp selling early in the morning, but price recovered, and this has happened in last 3 to 4 trading sessions. Hey guys, welcome to another video from Vega Stocks, and in this video we will analyze today's price action in Bank Nifty, and then we'll try to predict for tomorrow. But before we start, a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start today's video. First, we will continue with today's analysis. As said earlier, once price crossed 34,800, I'm sure you bought a put and captured your profit in the first 15 minutes of trading session. I had given a clear indication that 34,416 is a strong support level, and price completely changed its direction, touching this level once. This was a sign that price is not ready to go down further. Otherwise, we could have seen price touching or crossing this level again and again. After this movement, price was completely sideways till 1 o'clock, and I'm sure you might have found the price action. If not, then don't worry, I will explain it to you. As you can see the screen, this triangle is an ascending triangle, and a breakout to the upper side was expected. I was expecting it at around 12:30, but no issues, just had to wait for another half an hour, and boom. My stop loss was at the swing low of 34,572. You could have captured a good 350 points today. If you have, then do let me know in the comment box and hit the bell icon. And if you haven't, then no issues. Let's wait for the next opportunity. So first trade was scalping, but the second trade was based on price action or proper formation of a price pattern. So now let's move on to the next session. As you can see the chart, let me take you back to 1-day chart first. So today candle is a doji candle, and the price has recovered from the bottom. As discussed in our last video, we were expecting price action to touch this trend line. I had clearly marked 34,116 over here as an important support level near the trend line. So as per 1-day chart, there is still hope of price touching this level again. But the way price has recovered clearly indicates that buyers are stronger than the sellers, and in fact Nifty is also sustaining its level above 15,700, and today it has given a closing above 15,800. If you see this 1 hour chart of Bank Nifty, then here you can see how price has gained momentum from 33,600 levels, and Bank Nifty has the potential to repeat such a fast movement again. Without Bank Nifty support, Nifty cannot make its all-time high. Similarly, without Nifty support, Bank Nifty cannot give a breakdown. Today price has given closing at 34,950. So let's go to 5 minutes chart now. So 34,950 is a crucial level, and now if there is a flat opening and price goes above 35,050 levels, then you can definitely buy call with a stop loss of 34,950 and for a target of 35,300 to 35,400. Today's closing price will act as a good support if price crosses 35,000 levels tomorrow. Why I am saying this? Because price has spent sufficient time at this level. As said earlier, remember 35,000 is an important psychological level and Bank Nifty has to break this level decisively. But allow the market to decide where it is planning to go. A humble request, don't buy put whatsoever be the reason. Market is bullish, bullish and bullish. Let's watch this trend line again. Chart will be small, but please focus on the trend line. So this is the trend line, and if you can see, Bank Nifty has tried 3 times to cross this level. So this time, whenever you see price going closer to this trend line, you can expect a good breakout, good movement of 500 to 600 points to the upper side. Now if there is a gap up opening, allow the market to give a dip close to 35,050 levels. You can buy call with same stop loss of 34,950. But if there is a gap down opening, then avoid trading for the day. Avoid even if price crosses 35,000 levels, because then you can expect a sideways movement only. If price breaks 34,600 levels again, then you can buy put for a target of 34,416. But I am not expecting this, at least for tomorrow. Hope I have covered everything. If missed, then do let me know in the comment box and I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, then please share this video to your family, friends and colleagues so that they also get benefited. And please note, this is not compulsory that you are trading. Even if you are an investor, you should know how the market is going to perform next day. If you are prepared, then only you can plan your future investments, and if already invested, you can at least apply stop loss daily to safeguard your profit. Thank you for your support. Keep learning and happy trading.